Hello, my name is Mark Jollymore. I'm the president of Innovasea and the general manager of the fish tracking business unit. Innovasea has a long and rich history of pushing the boundaries in fish tracking and aquaculture. Over the course of the 24 years that I've been here, technology and the need for new solutions for fish tracking, for sustainable aquaculture operations has really blossomed. Formed through the union of several leading technology companies, we are united by a single mission: to advance the frontiers of fish research and drive sustainable practices in global aquaculture.
My name is Ian Coolin. I'm the Director of Production here at Innovasea in Bedford. Big part of what we're doing here in production is kind of a hands-on approach to high volume manufacturing. So we do a lot of things very quickly, but we are still doing them in kind of a traditional hands-on approach. We've brought in people from all kinds of previous backgrounds, but what unites them is a drive to do everything that they're doing to the highest standard possible. It is fair to say that collaboration is at the core of what we're doing. And the way that that tends to happen in most of the discussions and most of the meetings that I'm going to is that we're pushing each other to higher standards.
I'm Jean Quirion, and I'm Vice President of Research and Development at Innovasea. Automation is key to enabling a sustainable future because it enables efficiency. And at Innovasea, we've embraced this with seamless integration between hardware and software.
My name is Tim Stone, and I'm the General Manager and the Vice President of the Aquaculture Intelligence Group within Innovasea. I think software and machine learning teams are special because of the way they interact with customers. They don't sit in a lab and just come up with things on their own. They want to get out there, they want to talk to the customers, they want to see what they're dealing with every day, and then they want to make a user interface that makes the customer's life easier.
I'm Dana Allen. I'm a sales supervisor here at Innovasea Fish Tracking, and I've been here for over 21 years. And one of the things I really love about working at Innovasea is the teamwork. Everyone from the research and development departments to production and software sales team, we all really work together and have one common goal in mind, which is to just have successful studies with our customers.
Today, we're known for our technology and equipment that combine precision with purpose. Innovasea's commitment to a culture of innovation and craftsmanship is what sets us apart.